Alright guys, check it out. So this is the coconut rice that I've just made. It's an old school coconut rice recipe from the Indian restaurant, guys. It's similar to the ones we make at home, so this is a great one to have. So enjoy the recipe and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Hope you guys are well. It's Babel from the Bengali Cook. Guys, this week I've got a super simple recipe for you, but it's really nice. It's going to be sweet, it's going to be coconut, and you put them together with some rice, and we're going to make coconut rice, just like the Indian restaurants. Having said that, guys, before I do that, I just want to say massive thank you for the love you've shown on last week's video. That was amazing engagement. We have so much fun interacting, talking to you guys, and I've also learned so much more about the Balti, where it originates from and so forth. So thank you for sharing your knowledge. If you haven't done so, guys, go and check that video out. It's a really cool video, how to make lamb Balti. This week, guys, I'll be making coconut rice. Having said that, guys, let's crack on. Before I do that, hit that subscribe button, like and comment. This week's game, what shall we play? Right, guys, so this week's questions, just for fun, as you guys are doing. So loving the engagement. So I will be making coconut rice this week. But what I would like to know from you guys is which other popular curries in the Indian restaurants use coconut powder. Having said that, guys, let's crack on with this week's video. Keep watching. I will reveal the answer. See if I don't knock the camera over. I'll reveal the answer as we go. So, got my new pan. So I'm going to put the heat on. I'm using, it's fragrant boiled rice. So I've made it using similar style to my pillar rice, but I've not added the ghee in there. Or the colouring, because I'm cooking at home and I prefer to have it like this. So you'll need some rice. We'll need some coconut powder, and we also would need some jaggery, which is, there it is. So it's one of these, so you can get them in blocks or you can also get them in syrup. So I'm using a block. So this is what it is. There you go. So it's cane sugar. So back in the late 90s when I was working there, guys, we used to make coconut rice with the jaggery. These days, mainly most of the restaurants do use sugar. Again, profit margin and so forth. But that's a different story. So I'm showing you how it's done, used to be done. Okay, guys, so to make our coconut rice, firstly, what we're going to do, because I have got the block of jaggery, I'm going to try and get this dissolved, get it into liquid form. And I'm going to put it on low heat and add some hot water to it. So it's been about a couple of tablespoons in there. And what I want to do now is get this all dissolved. If you have got the jaggery in the liquid form, guys, you don't need to do this step, okay? So I've just got it on very low heat, and I'm just going to keep an eye on this. Well, this will just dissolve nicely. So I'll see you in about a couple of minutes. Just a quick video. As you can see, guys, it's going down. So what we're going to do is just make sure we're breaking down the pieces. Another minute or so, and it will form a nice thick sauce. So that's what we want. Okay, guys, so our jaggery is all dissolved and it's all ready. Check it out. Here it is. See? Okay. Lovely. Well, I'm just going to put it into this cup, just for the purpose of the video. Okay, so here it is. That's our Jaggery. So I'm going to leave that to the side now. So I've done this process because I didn't have the liquid form of the Jaggery because I had the solid block. So this is how you would do what you would do to get it all dissolved. So pan back on heat. Let's carry on with making our coconut rice. So there we go. So right, let's put some ghee in there. Let the ghee will dissolve. It's going to be on low heat again, guys. Low heat. So let's get our coconut powder in there. So we've got 1, 2. Okay. So about good 2.5 to 3 tablespoons I'm using. All I'm going to do now, guys, is take off the heat quickly because we don't want it burning. And I'm going to drop some. 1, 2, 3. So good for all we're going to do now, guys, is just get it all mixed in. Break the coconut powder down. Keep it on low heat. You can use desiccated coconut as well if you have got it. It will give a much more grainy coconut feel as well. So that's pretty cool. Look at that. Look here. Get this out. So I'm just going to put our rice in there. It's not too bad. It's about a restaurant size portion. So let's get that in there. And let's get it all mixed in now, guys. You can take these out if you want to. So I'll do that now. Take these out. That's our coconut rice done. We're just going to wait for it just to dry up a little bit more. Put the heat up now if you want to. Okay guys, the answer is I'm looking for the most popular dishes in the British Indian restaurant style that use coconut powder is chicken tikka masala and chicken korma. Hope you got it right. Congratulations. Try not to waste anything. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and comment below. So if you want to make it any more drier than what it is, guys, keep it on heat and keep going. But check it out. There, look at that. Here's our coconut rice done. Get off the heat. There we go. Get it back here. Then just to garnish, you can add just a tiny bit of coconut there. And there we go. Coconut rice, guys. There it is. Check it out. Done. Let's have a bit of a taste. Let's use that's good. Taste to it. Check it out. Guys, they're just absolute bang on. This is so good. Oh, but yeah, but there we go, guys. Enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to get involved below. What other British restaurant style curries have used coconut powder? This is coconut rice for you guys. Enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and comment below. And actually, you know, I'm going to have this as it is, guys. I'm not going to have it with any curry or anything like that. I'm just going to have this as it is. It is absolutely gorgeous. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.